Our topic for our lesson plan was California kelp forest ecosystem and deforestation. With guidance by our teacher mentor, Mrs. Margaret Butler, we developed an original lesson plan and taught 4 different 4th and 5th grade classes from 3 schools in the South Bay area. We taught a total of 126 students and will also be teaching another 4th grade class.
To make sure they are paying attention, we asked the kids questions throughout the entire lesson on what they had just learned and gave prizes to those who answered correctly. We created an introductory video about California kelp and kelp deforestation. We also put together slides showing what types of kelp grow all over the world.
They learned about the parts of a kelp frond and the layers of the kelp forest and about what animals lived in each layer. They were amazed by how fast kelp grows, up to 2 feet per day. To show the kids how important seaweeds are in their everyday lives, we showed them baskets of household items that all contain seaweed.
We taught about the kelp forest ecosystem and food web. We talked about the keystone species of the kelp forest, the sea otter, and its essentiality to the ecosystem. They learned about the deforestation due to its removal and the resulting collapse of the kelp forest ecosystem. We played a game that explained this, using different cereals to represent kelp, fish, and sea urchins, over 2 rounds, the first with the sea otter predator and the second without. The kids were able to clearly see how the removal of the sea otter led to an unbalanced ecosystem.
We taught the class about the resulting damage of the deforestation, the creation of an urchin barren. They learned about sustainable kelp harvesting and the regulations protecting the kelp. They learned about efforts to restore the kelp forest, including the removal and relocation of sea urchins. In addition, they learned about what they can do to help protect the kelp forest ecosystem, ranging from picking up after their dog to following fishing laws.
We reviewed key points with the class and then gave each child a 10-question quiz. All students did well in the quiz, many receiving perfect scores. We could tell the students really enjoyed the lesson and received excellent feedback from the teachers.